So I finally got it in hand, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and this video is going to be primarily my initial thoughts on it, having it for a couple days, and taking it out on a few flights, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think. Spoiler alert, I freaking love this thing. What's good, creative fan? Brandon Washington here, and first of all, if you're brand new to the channel and you haven't already, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, because this channel is all about filmmaking, gear, tips, and tutorials. And as you guys saw already, this video is going to be primarily about the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now, I'm absolutely in love with this thing so far. Now, granted, I've had it for less than a week's time, but what this thing has been able to do and what they've been able to pack into this drone has been mind-boggling for someone like myself. Now, granted, I'll just preemphasize for anybody who doesn't know, I do video production full-time. I'm also a licensed drone pilot with my Part 107 license, and for me, I fly my drone easily 3, 4, 5 times a week, whether that's for a job or for personal, but primarily for work. And they have done so many improvements on this little guy that, I mean, I've only noticed some of them in the first 2 days, but there are even more that they've added in there that I probably haven't even discovered yet. Obviously, the first one being that huge 1-inch sensor. This is something that, as someone who has flown Phantom 4 Pros and have gotten a chance to kind of experience that 1-inch sensor, I have been super jealous about for my Mavic. I have wanted that in my Mavic since I saw the Phantom 4 Pro, and now I'm excited that it's actually there. That 1-inch sensor makes a massive difference in your quality overall, but there's a lot of other nice little features that they've added in there that no one's really talking about, or at least I haven't heard anyone speak of. For example, there are actually 2 4K modes. One is, a full view 4K, and the other one kind of has like a slight crop on it. Now, what's kind of cool is it's not like the zoom, but it does actually kind of allow you to zoom in and kind of get closer to your subjects, which I found to be super interesting and was kind of surprised no one else had talked about it. The other thing is obviously the hyperlapse mode. Now, yes, this is a big deal for the Mavic Pro 2 or the Mavic 2 Pro to have, but honestly, old drones could actually do hyperlapses as well. So this isn't really a new feature. They just made it a lot easier to pull it off. Other cool little details that they've done is, like, for example, now you can screw off the knobs for easy storage. Also, one of the smallest things, but one of the best things about the new controller is that they actually have a cutout for the home button on your iPhone. So now you can actually press the home button and be able to get into your phone and use it and not have to unplug it beforehand. That was such a big thing for me when I first realized that it was there, because man, I hated the old controller because it didn't have that. And then obviously with the new Hasselblad camera, you get the Hasselblad colors, so you can shoot in a new M-Log or H-Log. I'm not really sure what they call it, can't remember. But it allows you to shoot super flat and retain as much dynamic range as possible. You know, all in all, I'm absolutely stunned with how great this drone actually is. You know, I'm a huge fan of DJI products. It's the reason why I use the Ronin S now, and now I have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and that's because they make their products easy to use. And when you do this professionally, getting the job done quickly and easily is probably the most important thing, at least for me. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you guys have any additional questions, let me know. Also, in case you didn't already know this entire video was shot in full 4K and uploaded in full 4K. So if you want to check out some of that footage again, you can definitely go back to the beginning and watch it. And make sure you put it in 4K. I'm even shooting this piece here in 4K, so that way everything matches up properly. Because yeah, I want you guys to be able to see how amazing this footage really looks. And in my opinion, it's definitely worth the price tag. Now, if you should buy this or get an original Mavic Pro, well, I'm probably gonna have to save that for another video. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you.